Hello.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Thank you. Hi.
Dua kayo! Sine? Sine?
Hello.
Hi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday!
Ba't ganyan yung mukha? Hey guys, it's Therese. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my birthday vlog. So, I celebrated my birthday twice. So, one in Cavite and then one here sa province. So, I'm redoing my intro because I didn't like the quality that I had dun sa unang introduction ko or sa unang intro ko. But yeah, this is going to be for April 6 and April 9 celebration. So, pagsasama ko na. And then, in between, merong a little birthday haul. So, yeah. Before this video, in-upload ko na yung unboxing ko ng new phone ko, which I'll be putting up here so that you can guys watch that after watching this one. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below any ideas that you want me to do next, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So yeah. Si Kuya Bo.
Grabe. Matindi pa to sa dibo.
Kaya nga eh.
Magagawan pa yan dito mga.
Hello! Welcome to my vlog!
Go. Pang-vlog niya.
Ano po yan?
Pampano. Chicken pala po kailangan ko nila yung chicken. Diyan sa harap, meron dyan sa loob. Oo.
Say hi! Ay?
Hello.
Hello! Naka-pants ako, and then this top is from Zara. So I got this one nung shopping kami sa US. But yeah, so this is the back. Ayan, medyo revealing yung back. So this is way beyond my comfort zone. But since it's my birthday, I'm gonna be trying this out one. And then also, this is the other option that I have. But probably I'll be using this one on my other celebration, which is sa Cagayan. So yun, baka yun. Kasi ayoko nung isang pinipili ni Kuya Jay. Medyo nakakaya. But yeah, this is going to be my feet. And then my slippers, ay Crocs lang. And then yun. Andito din yung mga clothes ko na gagamitin later. So, ayun. I'll update you guys later kapag celebration na. So yeah.
Sing! Birthday song! Victor!
Alexa.
Happy birthday to you! Ay!
Oh, may pag ganon.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Meron pala, di ba? Meron pala! Ay, sa nanay! Galing sa kuya mo. Oh, basta. Ah, may card pa. Meron pa.
Ako meron pa pala.
Oh, oh. Oh, yun rin. Ah, kasabog. Woo! Yeah! Ah! Oh.
My goodness!
Oh, read the card. Read the card ni Kuya. Diyan pa sa baba.
Pakita ko yung sender ko. Ha?
Hello. Ay! Na-amaze siya. Na-amaze siya, na-amaze. Na-amaze siya.
Walang violation yan.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Parang ako may birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, Dominic, oh, happy birthday! Go, go, ano? Happy wow! Galing-galing ng... Ay, tapa. Wow! Ito pa. Wow! One!
Pasakin mo! Ay,
Oh. Oh, buksan mo. Oh, wow!
dapat kasi nag-workout ka muna.
Yakad pa ako na malayo.
Oh, di ba? For balance kasi talaga yan.
Oh, happy galing. Sige, alis mo na kami. Tawagin mo na kayo.
So I wasn't able to do an outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you on my next vlog, besties. Bye!